Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in London, UK, from Facebook page and YouTube page and londonclassified.org. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in London and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, Senior Administrator Jobs in London, UK. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Senior Administrator required in London. Are you an experienced senior administrator or personal assistant with a passion for technology and a drive for improving health and social care? If so, we have an exciting opportunity for you to join the digital primary care team in NHS Essex on a permanent basis. NHS Essex is leading the largest digital health and social care transformation program in the world, with investment of or more than £1 billion a year nationally and significant additional spend locally. NHS Essex has been created to give staff and citizens the technology they need. NHS Essex brings together the Department of Health and Social Care, NHS England and NHS Improvement, who will deliver the Health Secretary Tech Vision. Building on the NHS long-term plan, we will speed up the digital transformation of the NHS and social care. As a business support officer, you will work as a part of a dynamic team in delivering an effective service, supporting managers and staff across the digital primary care team and a variety of internal and external stakeholders. This is the perfect role for an organized, enthusiastic individual who is keen to develop themselves personally and support the development of our services. You will be assigned a work area and will provide a professional PA and diary management support service to the director of the function, undertaking a wide range of business support duties within their team, including supporting recruitment and finance process, meeting secretaries' duties, communication and records and information management. We are seeking an experienced senior administrator or personal assistant who is a strong team player and enjoys building positive working relationship with others, both within the immediate team as well as in part and stakeholder organization, in order to plan and deliver effectively. Please review the attached assignment brief and job family template before making your application and demonstrate how you meet the experience and skill outlined in these documents with your supporting statement. For further details information, visit contact name Kelly Chadman, job title Senior Business Manager, email address. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, senior administrator required. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience in relevant subjects and you must have a graduate in relevant subject, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily send your updated CV to this email address. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply for any job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page, so you can easily visit and then apply. So guys, apply procedure is very easy. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching.